Hi. So the next step, we need to install all the Python dependencies for this chatbot inside this virtual environment. So we do not know how many Python dependencies is required for this chatbot, because if you'll see the chatbot scripts, so many modules we have used like Boto3, OS and other modules as well. So here you can see I have already created one system in which the chatbot is running, and I have installed all the Python dependencies one by one. Now in this system, I'm going to fire a command which will collect all the Python dependencies. And the command is very simple: pip freeze greater than sign and the name of the file. Let me give Python dependencies. If you'll cat this file, it will show you all the Python dependencies. So this file content you have to copy and put it in your fresh system. So first I am going to upgrade the pip command. So pip install -- upgrade pip. It has been upgraded, and this is the list of all the Python dependencies. Let me create a file with the name requirements. And then simply you have to fire this command pip install -r and the name of the file. I can see that it is started downloading all the Python dependencies. I can see it installing the packages like pytz, pytts, excel, pydub, watchdog and different Python modules, which is basically required to execute your Python scripts. As of now, we have not cloned the GitHub repository to this system. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I'm going to clone the entire GitHub repository to this system. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.